Okay, Albert Granda here, pizzatherapy.com. I just got this great pizza kit in a box from my friends Mark and Jenny Bello from Pizza School, NYC. I cut it already. Let's see what's inside. Okay, so they say they included everything to make pizza except the cheese. Let's see what we got here. Okay, here's the packing slip. And there's a pizza serving pan, pizza baking screen. I haven't used one. I usually use a baking steel, but maybe I'd give it a try. Okay, also, oh yes, here we have pepperoni from Hormel, the cup and crisp bold pepperoni. I really like the stuff. I'll put a link to a video I did where I review this. I love this cup and crisp pep by Hormel. It's great. We're going to be making pizza tomorrow, so I'm going to be using this. And here's another package of the cup and crisp. And let's see what else is in here. Okay, oh, some aged balsamic vinegar from their own private label, Pizza School NYC balsamic. And I've got some cento puree. I've used this before. It's a good tomato product. I like it. Others that I like a little bit more, but this is okay. This will do. And got a pizza wheel, which I kind of like. Got plenty of them, but I can always use another one. Let's see. Oh, whoa, Sicilian Sea Salt. This is going to be more than just one or two pizzas. This is a couple of months supply, also from Cento. I gotta love it. I love sea salt. And got some spices in here, some oregano and garlic powder, and some Anna Neapolitan 00 flour. I'm going to be using this to make my pizza. Looks like a mixing unit. And and also here's the kit to make the dough. Inside here are one of my favorites. I gotta say, I like Fleischmann's. Been using it for years. They used to be a corporate sponsor of Pizza Therapy, and I thank them for that. They help me out a lot. And you know, I like to say Fleischmann's always rises to the occasion. And we've got a little bit of extra virgin olive oil. And Mike's Hot Honey. I love Mike's Hot Honey. Mike used to work at Paulie G's, created this hot honey. I did a great interview with Mike. I'll put a link to that video so you can see where Mike describes how he made the honey, how he came up with it. And these are a little bit of sugar, I'm sure, yep, Domino sugar to help with the rising process. And this is how I'll be fermenting my dough in this cup. And, oh man, this is a lot of swag here. I love those guys. I love Mark and Jenny Bello. They're just amazing. Here it is. A Pizza School NYC official apron. Oh man, thank you guys. Always can use one of these. I love their t-shirts. And here on the packing slip, they tell you everything you need to make pizza except the cheese. And they recommend shredded mozzarella, which I'll be using. I also like to put Parmesan on my pizza and any other kind of cheese I have. So I'm really looking forward to doing this. I'm going to be making pizza tomorrow, and I'll probably put some video together about that if I can. I'm a one-man show. But again, thank you so much, Mark and Jenny Bello of Pizza School NYC. Full disclosure, they sent this as a friend, because I'm a friend of theirs, and also because we'll be part of a virtual pizza making, and I'll be talking a little bit more about that later. If you want more information about Pizza School NYC, I am a graduate, a proud graduate of Pizza School NYC. Check them out online, put a link below, and there it is. You want to make pizza, everything is right here in the kit. Now, can you get the kit? You'll have to contact them directly. I don't know if they're available commercially, but they might be. So contact Mark and Jenny. Contact Mark and Jenny Bello, and you'll be all set. Again, Pizza School NYC, love you guys. If you haven't gone to their school in New York City, I highly recommend it. It's one of the best pizza experiences I've ever had. Okay, until next time, Albert Grande here. If you could show a little pizza love and subscribe. Pizza on Earth, goodwill to all.